ICSE Mathematics Class 9, Chapter 2, Exercise 2.2. Question 11. What sum invested at 4% per annum compounded semi-annually amounts to rupees 7,803 at the end of 1 year? Answer 11. Let amount P be invested, rate percent R equal to 4% per annum, equal to 2% per semi-year, time period n is equal to 1 year, equal to 2 semi-years, amount equal to rupees 7,803. A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n, 7,803 equal to P into 1 plus 2 by 100 to the power 2, 7,803 equal to P into 1 plus 1 by 50 to the power 2, 7,803 equal to P into 51 by 50 into 51 by 50, P equal to 7,803 into 50 into 50 by 51 into 51, equal to 7,803 into 2,500 by 51 into 51. Then it is equal to 7,500. Rupees 7,500 should be invested. Question 12. What sum invested for 1.5 years compounded half yearly at the rate of 4% per annum will amount to rupees 1,32,651. Answer 12. Let amount P be invested, time period 1.5 years is equal to 3 half years, rate percent R equal to R percent 4% per annum is equal to 2% per half years, amount is equal to rupees 1,32,651, amount equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n equal 1,32,651 equal to P into 1 plus 2 by 100 to the power 3, 1,32,651 equal to P into 1 plus 1 by 50 to the power 3, 1,32,651 equal to P into 51 by 50 to the power 3, P equal to 1,32,651 into 50 by 51 to the power 3. 1,32,651 cancelled out by 51 is equal to 2,601, and 2,601 is cancelled out by 51 equal to 51. 51 is cancelled out by 51. That is 15 to 15 to 50 equal to 1,25,000. That will be P, our principal amount. That's all.